Hey there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add auto welcome messages through Rosebot in your Telegram group and channels. So this is how it works. Rosebot will automatically send welcome messages to your Telegram channel and group. You don't have to do anything at all. All we have to do is follow this video through and you will be able to set that auto welcome message. With the help of Rosebot, of course. So first thing first, let's tap into the app itself. Let's tap to Telegram and we'll be directed to a chat page. So here you can already see a Rosebot over here. So if you do not have the Rosebot, you can simply go to the search bar and type in Rosebot. So here you can choose the group that has been connected with the Rosebot. Let's tap in this one since this is the one. This has the Rosebot in this group. So if you're curious, if you don't know how to add Rosebot to your group or channel, then you can check out our video in this channel. We already have made one video on how to add Rosebot in your group and channel, so you can check out that. So since we already have Rosebot in this chat, all we have to do is tap in welcome /welcome and yes, and hit enter. At the Rosebot, see it's there asking me to confirm my identity, so let's tap in click to prove admin, and there you go. It says I'll be welcoming all new members from now on. So it's already there. Rosebot is ready to welcome the members. But we can also add something additional, and that is here. All you have to do is tap in slash again and set welcome and hi. You have to use a bracket over here, username, so that whenever the other username come to this group, the Rosebot will welcome with this username. Just tap in welcome to my channel and again bracket, and let's tap in the chat name. So let's enter. Let's prove admin again. So okay, it says the new welcome message has been saved. So by doing this, the Rosebot will automatically now greet your new members with the username, and it will say welcome to our channel with the specific chat name. So this is how you set auto welcome message through Rosebot. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries, drop a comment in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to help you with that. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.